I have successfully finished my first year of nursing.
Going straight to GSC right now.
I'm back to being a mummy. Hello guys and happy Wednesday. I just wanted to talk about how I've been feeling lately. Even though school's finished, I have successfully finished my first year of nursing. I was having like self-doubts on some of the things that I wanted to achieve. Have I achieved it? Will I achieve it? To the glory of God, all the things I wanted to achieve, I did manage to achieve, but I don't know if I'm going to share it just yet. But yeah, so I'm just happy that first year is done, and it's like second year and it's like prep. And one of the things I have not done is revise. And today I actually had to go and get a jab done. It was like I think it's hepatitis. I can't one of them injections, and I realized, oh my gosh, I have not opened my book. So I think for that moving forward, that's one of the things I'm gonna do. But today, like I said, I did go to the main campus to get my injection done. Yeah, so let's get into the vlog.
I had been feeling a bit down lately. Getting alone time gave me an opportunity to reflect. Being a mum means showing up even when it seems impossible sometimes. Thank God for my village who always show me I'm not alone.
Hi guys and happy today we're literally about to go. What are we going to do, guys? Swimming!
Well guys, I'm going first because I'm swimming.
Well, Ellie, okay, yeah, Ellie actually has swimming lessons, so Ellie's going first, and then we're gonna go like as a second booking. So we're all going swimming, and yeah, we're quite excited. I hope the water's not too cold. I haven't been here in a long time. But well, Ellie, was the water cold yesterday?
No.
So perfect. So I guess it's not gonna be cold. And KJ, you seem excited.
Yeah.
Yeah, and obviously you have to drag Auntie along. She ain't got a choice. Not really. But yeah, we're currently just waiting. What about 8 minutes, and then we're gonna park up, and then we're gonna go. And yeah, I hope it goes really well. But like yesterday when I was in the swimming pool, I was like, no, not in the swimming pool, in the area of the thing. It just gives me like the ick. But obviously we're not gonna think about that. And the weather's at 26, but it's actually given like 28, 29. It's not given 26.
Guys, it's hot.
It's hot, yeah, it's really hot today. And I was gonna make it a walk from some far place.
Guys, in this life, do not marry a woman that's stingy with her money. The parking is £1.90 for 3 hours.
Why are you crying?
And she won't try to pay for it.
Yeah, I wasn't trying to pay that £1.90, I'll be real. You
I'm
ready?
gonna change it.
Oh yeah, but that's cute though.
Get to know if I could be the kind of girl that you could be down for.
Hi guys. So yesterday obviously I was talking about the fufu party I had with my family, and it was so yummy, and I had it again this morning. But yeah, so currently we're on our way to my brother's GSC band concert, which they're having at Brixton Jam today. We're on our way to go. Started at 3. We're very much on time. So I'm wearing a white top and like flat jeans and some sandals. I wasn't too sure, like I'm never too sure about my outfit, whether I want to wear like trainers or not, and I just opted trainers. I didn't really want to wear trainers, but I'm always so super excited to see my brother performing, and like when we go to support him means the world to me. I think we're going to be standing for most of it, which is exciting anyway. Last time we were standing and it was so fun. There was literally no time to sit. It was so fun. You just dance like it. That's going to be us today. Alright, so we just got here, we just arrived, we're literally about to go in. I'll see you next time. Very excited. Go on. You have to start my vlog. Don't do that. I need to start my vlog.
Ladies, let me tell you about Kwame. Let me tell you about me right now. Sing that tune for me right now. Are you ready for me right now? Sing. Ready for black? Are you ready for dance? Are you ready for Steve? Make some noise. GS, go GS. يلا حبيبي ويلا قوي نقولي make some noise. يا من نفسي Make some noise for GSC right now. You know what? She said James said we're carrying the party on, right?
There ain't no other for me. It's only
That was so good. That was so good. Like, obviously my ears are not working now, but that doesn't matter. Just like having children, your ears are not working again. But yeah, that was super good. We are home now, and as you can see, I'm back to being a mummy. I'm a Sita, and I'm super tired. But I just want to say I'm so proud of my brother for today. The show was so good. Like, honestly, it's just nice to see all him and his brethren coming together and just putting on a good show. So that was great. I was tired, so I'm gonna take this makeup off, wash, you know, have a shower and go to bed. See you tomorrow. Good morning guys and happy Thursday. So I'm currently at Wingyip. I do not feel well. I am under the weather real bad, but today I'm actually doing some shopping for my parents because they're having a barbecue with their group on Saturday, and as you can hear in my voice, I'm terribly sick. My voice is just not giving. Okay, it's not giving, but anyway, I'm gonna do the shopping quickly for them. I need to do a quick Costco run as well. I'm gonna drop the things to their house. That's like an hour's drive, and I'm always judging. I love seeing my parents, I love seeing my family, but going all the way there is always so far from where I live, and it's like And I also wanted to talk about my therapy that I started, and oh my gosh, I've been unpacking so much, and it's so traumatic because I don't want to have to think about the things that I've been through. But I feel like once you come to therapy, you haven't got a choice but to think about your past, the things that have gone on, the things that have shaped you to be who you are today. I'm just not in the mood for it, and I've been like dwelling on it, and it's like it makes you almost think, what's the point of therapy? Like, is it for you to kind of just change your patterns? It's just a lot. It's a lot. But I'm gonna come back to that when I get a bit more like somewhere to just say you guys up, and then I'll talk about that.
'cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move on.
These are the ribs, the best ribs ever, but I just don't know which one.
Get to know if I could be the kind of girl that you could be down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something.
So I've just found these ice cups to do, like the ones in the vlog, and I have to try it. They've got different flavours of the iced tea. They've got black, they've got peach, and I have to try the peach. There's definitely a bit of me. Let's try it. Okay, got the goods. This place is so cool. Like, they've got a lot of different things, and every time I come with my kids, they always want to go to this section, but we're not doing that today. Got the ice cup, but let's just open it. Please, before you judge me, just know that I'm not proud of this behaviour. This day I was feeling extremely low, and this drink was like the best thing that could have happened to me. So I beg, let me enjoy myself as if I'm a size 6. I don't want to hear anything about my big back behaviour. Allow me to enjoy myself. Oh my gosh. This makes me feel like I'm actually in China. Take me to, is it Phuket? Whatever. Take me to Phuket, whatever. So good. I definitely need to come back to Whipiang to get more. Wingyip, I always say Whipiang. Wingyip iced tea with iced cup. What? Oh, it's my sister calling. Hold up. I'm lit. What? Tell her what's up. Tell her what up. Saturday now, and today is my family's Eko. If you're Ghanaian, you know, in Eko, like a group, whatever they call it, a barbecue, and I have the pleasure of making the ribs. Yay! So I'm literally gonna get a cool box right now because I gave a cool box to my family. Yeah, my sister's making chicken. So I'm currently on the hunt for a cool box because I gave my cool box to my parents, and now I need a cool box because I need to put the ribs inside the cool box. So let's go quickly see if I can get some here. If not, I have to go to the market. And you know, like when you go to the market, they'll be trying to rip you off, but obviously this is not meat or anything, so hopefully that won't be the case. Let's go and get this cool box. I'm feeling much better today, so let's go and get this cool box and then the other things, and then just go and barbecue this meat so we can go. I want to wear this yellow dress, but actually we'll get to that later. hopefully we should be done in the next like hour or so, because our drive as well is about an hour.
I should make a move on. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be.
Okay, so we are here now. I'm trying to do my best to talk over the music because I don't want to get copyrighted. But yeah, got our food, the rice and the ribs that we made. So good. You can have a good vibe. The sun's out and there's so many people in Burgess Park. That's even better. Makes it so much more worth the wow. But yeah, anyway, let me enjoy my food.
The kind of girl that you could be down for. Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me. Baby, you're the kind of guy that I should.
All day. That's not gonna show to your dad. Good. All day. Oh yeah, man. Okay, Tommy, what are you about to do? Gymnastics. Okay, so everybody needs to show me the craziest gymnastic move. Okay, Katie, you go first. Go, Kaden. Whoa. Okay, roll to your neck. Show me the best move. Whoa. Oh my gosh, Righty. Your dad is gonna kill me. Okay, Kate, well done, guys. Are you okay? Yeah, okay, Kaden, show me your move. Oh! Whoa! Okay. Whoa! Whoa! Well done! Whoa! Well done, guys! You want the best award, eh? Go. Yeah! Fire! Oh! DJ! Oh! Ginormous. Super excited to eat that. Let's have that. Forget about a starter. Why can't we just leave the starter? The platter says, so let's have it. Crazy. Super excited. Ate everything we could eat, quite a bit. And this is what's left. Like, yeah, that was a lot. But that actually, when I get home, we'll talk about it. Good afternoon, guys. I'm currently getting ready to go and watch the Spider-Man movie. But I'm currently doing my makeup. I was like, you know what, let me just look a bit cute. So I think I told you guys I've been wearing my my half my wig into a half wig. But I'm just getting ready and it's like I wanted to do something so light. But every time I say I'm doing a light beat, it just never ever does. But I've been using this mirror. I'm actually obsessed with it. Like I have a love and hate relationship with this mirror, but I've been using it for a while now. Okay, guys, we're actually running late. We need to go right now. Did my hair a little bit. What a cute little like summery top. As you can see, kind of bright or whatever. Some jeans. So yeah, we need to literally get going. But yeah, I'm just waiting in line to go in. I'm not sure. You know, sometimes you feel like you want to have a snack, and then sometimes you feel like you don't want to have one. That's how I feel right now. But let's see. Guys, I'm on my way to meet Fiona. Well, I'm actually here now. We're gonna have some brunch. No, it's not brunch. We're gonna have a bit of something to eat at this place called Golden Rise. I haven't actually been there, but I've seen a lot of reviews on it on TikTok. And we're like, why not? Why not on a nice Tuesday? Go and have something to eat there. So I'm going to take you guys along. But it says it's going to be 28 degrees. I just don't know. Like, it's giving a bit cold. It's giving a bit hot. I'm not too sure if it's actually 28 degrees. I'll take you guys along. The Food is here.
Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move on. And if I don't,
Hi guys, and happy Friday. So instead of any swimming lesson today, we decided to go to the splash pool. So we're literally here and the kids are in the swimsuits already. And yeah, we're gonna go and have a quick splash. I'm just waiting for 2 o'clock so I can pay for my 1 hour parking rather than, because I don't play about that 50p 30p extra stuff, because that'd be like £3 for a different thing. But yeah, today is super hot. It's like 32 degrees today, so I was like, yeah, we're not staying in that house, we need to get out of here.
Well, you better. After this podium pool, you're taking me back to my swimming.
No,
then I won't be for real. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on. The more I see you, the more that it becomes so true. There ain't no other for me, it's only you. I want it.
the fact that the kids are really enjoying is obviously the main thing for me, because like it's just too hot to be indoors and there's so much going on here, which is really nice actually. And I feel like what I like about this splash park is that the water is not too deep so that the kids won't drown or anything. So nice. Entertained. No, I'm back home now. Oh, I'm so happy it's Sunday. Went to church and yeah, just had a nice day. And oh my gosh, shout out to my sister-in-law. She got me this I don't know what you call it in, I don't even know what it's called, but them dresses that you just feel free in this weather. Love it. This is my go-to. But I had to come and speak about this food. Mikasa or whatever it's called. Oh my gosh, do not fall for the hype, guys, because hey, when I told you the food was dead, like all that platter, everything you saw, and Mono, I have to even speak in true, because and Mono, I said on my whole, they just slapped the rice in the thing. It was so dead. But like for the overall vibe, like for the whole vibe, yeah, it was good. But like food that you really want to enjoy, Patrol, if you better go find some Nando's or something, because that was not it. And also, oh my gosh, like obviously because the kids are off as well, I've been seeing this debate about mum shaming about holiday camps and whatnot. Because one thing about me, I'm gonna send my kids to a holiday camp. I don't know why parents are actually feeling guilty, given that there's not even enough holidays that they're given to be like off. So it's like, why would you even feel bad about that? Don't understand. But yeah, this week my kids are actually at my parents' house and they're spending some time with family, and I'm so happy because I'm gonna use this time just to do me, relax, recoup, because obviously in September I also go back to uni. And guys, I can't believe I'm going to 2nd year. Like who would have thought? Like this is just your reminder to just follow your dreams. Like if there's something you want to do and you can do, go for it. You can't just sit on it and be like maybe will never bring you results. Like you gotta actually get it done, and that just makes me so happy. Like I just genuinely thought I couldn't do it, and look at me now. I'm just still in shock, but that's besides the point. Obviously now that we're in August, like I'm so happy that we're in the 8th month of the year so quickly, and I need to lock in, because for 2nd year I've got some, I think it's like the abnormal side of the sciences and stuff I have to learn. And yeah, it's just one of the things I want to start in ahead of as well. I also remember mentioning about me starting therapy. The way I've had to unpack some of the things that I've been through, even good or bad, but it's like putting the reasons, the why do you think that way, or why do you think that was. I was just like, hello, like I thought it's just a firstborn daughter, so that's why life has been the way it's been. But then you start to get into the nitty gritty of it, you're like, wow, like I don't know if I deserve this. I don't know if I did or I don't. Go for it, yeah. So don't be shy, just go for it, because I feel like I've learned so much unpacking my emotions, just thinking much more deeper. That brings me to the end of this vlog. I hope you guys liked it. Make sure you like, comment and subscribe, and please do share with any mom, student, nurse. Bye, see you in the next one.